Hey guys, it's Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a website like YouTube. So currently I'm youtube.com. You want to have a website that looks just like this where you can upload videos. Just basically a video repository where you can just upload videos for people to consume, maybe for memberships or any type of monetization you are really looking into. Then I've got it covered in this tutorial. I'll show you exactly how you can have something like this. Without wasting so much time, let me show you exactly what we're going to be designing in this tutorial would look like. So if you come down here, so you can see this is exactly what these would look like, and this is literally something like YouTube. So first off, here from the far right hand corner here, you can see a place for upload. So you can click this and you can upload videos to that site. Anybody can do that. You can definitely make it compulsory for people to sign in before they are able to do that. Definitely YouTube has that. I'm not signed in here, so if I click this right now, you will see this would tell me to sign in. So I have the option here to log in, but again, I will show you exactly how you can put an option here for registration. And also you can see a feature here for a light mode, a dark mode, just the same thing we have on YouTube. So you can search for any video of your choice, and here under features you'll be able to see all the features you have on this website. You can upload YouTube videos here, Vimeo videos, daily motion videos. You can also upload videos to this website, which is self-hosted. So you can, if you have a good server resources, you can allow people to upload videos here. And people have their user profiles. You can create playlists, you can create a user created playlist, favorite playlist, watch later, the same features we have on YouTube. And I think this is beautiful. So you can browse movies, different categories of the videos you are trying to look out for. So you can come to home. You have different types of layout for your home as well. This is layout 1, so you can play around with the layout. So let's see what layer 2 will look like. All right, so this is what the second home page looks like. So you have something like a banner here, and then you can filter between that. So if you come down here, you can see your recommended videos. You can see a channel here, recommended channel, uh, gaming. You can browse by categories, technology, and I think this is quite very beautiful. And then we can still check out the third home page layout. This has like a dark carousel here where you can filter between featured videos, which is beautiful. And then you can come down around to featured. You can see new rising stars. So these are new channels with subscribers. So you can also have recommended channels and all this other kind of stuff. And you can see this one here. This one keeps loading, just like YouTube. It just keep loading, infinite loading. You don't have to go to next page, next page, next page, and it's just beautiful what you can do with this. And I love it. I love the features here. And the good thing about it is that if you hover on these videos, you can see that the video is playing just the same thing you have on YouTube. Just over on those videos, it will give you a preview of the video you're about to watch, whether or not you want to watch or not. And these are the things you have on YouTube. And this is super beautiful. So if you want to see how you can design these on WordPress, then without further ado, let me show you exactly how to get that done. Right now, we can come to a website here that I have called dapps2.com. I'll be using this website for tutorial purpose. So you can see here, this website is playing, it has a default 2024 WordPress theme installed. As a matter of fact, I would love to make this tutorial as beginner friendly as much as possible as I can, but I'm also trying to save time. So I really do not want to go into the process of showing you how to set up an hosting account or a domain. In case you've not done that before, you don't know how to set up a WordPress website like this, I have covered lots of tutorials around these in time past. So I can leave link in the video descriptions to all these tutorials. I recommend Hostinger for starters. Hostinger.com here is highly recommended. You can get hosting for as low as 2.99 per month and also get 3 months for free. I have a tutorial where I've talked about step by step how to set up WordPress with Hostinger, and the beauty about this is that this comes with a free domain name. You have 247 customer support and quite a number of features here. So you can check out for that tutorial in the video description, or I might just leave it on the screen right now. And also, if you have more to spend, you want to have good server resources, you are very keen about speed on your website, you want to have turbo speed, I always recommend A2 hosting. So here's A2 hosting here. I use A2 hosting for every of my established website that's getting traffic. I just love uh, their turbo speed server. So even if you go around your shared hosting, you can come down here. So you can see they have turbo boost plan here and turbo max here. Turbo boost start from like 6.99. You will have amazing server resources using A2 hosting. So if you have more to spend, I always recommend A2 hosting, and also SiteGround if you still have much more to spend. So these are the three hosting that I have used that I can recommend for people to use. So you can check the video description for you to see tutorials whether or not you want to install A2 hosting or Hostinger. You would see tutorials that will help you, show you how you can set this up. So now coming back to davstutorial.com, right now I want to believe that if you are new and you want to set up WordPress, you should pause this video, set it up, and once you set up, you will have a WordPress website like this. So now I can come to the back end of this website. This is dashboard here, and then we'll be installing a WordPress theme to help us achieve this. And the WordPress theme that's responsible for this theme here is called JNews WordPress newspaper magazine blog AMP theme. You can do a live preview for you to see exactly what they have. They have lot and lot of pre-made website that you can use. One of them is just this. So if you come to their pre-built website here, you can scroll down, you can see all their pre-built website. They've done lots of work around creating WordPress blogs, and also for some websites, and you can just keep loading more and more and more. Fantastic here. You can see quite a number of pre-made themes here that you can really use, and this is a lot. This is beautiful. So you can see that you would get value for your money if you invest in this theme. So you can check the video description for you to see a link to Theme Forest here to buy it for $59. If you're somebody who do not have all of the money in the world, I want to believe that there was a time in my life I couldn't afford to spend $59 on a theme. So I want to believe that's possible. We all have been in this kind of situation at some point or the other, really. So I would always recommend also for you to check a platform called SR Miran. SR Miran gives you access to 30,000 or more. You can see here, provide 35,500 plus premium GPL themes, templates, plugins that you can have access to, and a lot of them are WordPress. Isn't that amazing? So you can subscribe here for a membership, and then you have access to downloading all of these themes literally for free. So you can come down here and search JNews. I want to believe they should have that here. So you can see here JNews. So if you want to buy it outrightly, you can buy this for $10. You can then, but if I log in right now, I will have an option for me to download this theme. Kindly know that what you will get here is the GPL version of this theme, so it will not be licensed. But the good thing about it is that this tool provides necessary updates. You can download updated files and keep updating. So you can check the video description for you to see a link to SR Miran Club. That's it for this theme here called JNews. So if I come down here, I already have this theme installed here. I would activate it. So this is the theme here. Now I'm welcome to JNews right now, and the next thing we want to do is to come to install plugins. We can install core plugins first, and then we can then go back and install our theme. This is highly recommended. So you can see here there are some required plugins for us to install. So these plugins here are required. So if you keep scrolling down, you would see some that are still required here, some recommended, and a lot of them here that are optional. But for the purpose of this example, I just want us to install these required ones first. So here too as well, we will just install Elementor. This is for page builder. I love to do Elementor. If you love Whippy Bakery Page Builder, you can install that. So I would activate Elementor right now. Close this. So coming back here, I can just activate these plugins, and I can also activate these two as well. Good. Good. So we are done here. So it says please only install plugins that you need to make your website lighter and faster. That's very, very important. So let's come to our demo right now and let's scroll down. So we're going to be searching for a particular demo called Play It. So let's keep scrolling down. Like I said, like we saw earlier, they have quite a number of templates. All right, so this is the template here. It is called Play It. So right now, install plugins, yes. Install style and content, yes. Install composer content. No, I don't want to do that. So if I turn this on right now, it would change this to Elementor content, and I want to use Elementor. I prefer to use Elementor. So in your case, if you want to use Visual Builder, that's fine. So once I have this toggled on, I can just hit the import demo. Yes, I want to okay this. So that's it. You can see this is installing all related plugins and is installing our demo content. Let's wait for this to finish up and then we can continue this tutorial. Congratulations, install process success, whatever that means. But at least we know what it's saying. Installation process is successful. So let's okay this. And now let's visit this website in a new tab and let's see exactly what we have. So you can see literally the same thing we have here is now what we have here right now. I'm already signed in here as Dabs, so I can just go to my channel. There's already a channel made for me, so you can see this is my channel. I have 0 subscribers, so there's no figures here. A few seconds ago was when I created this channel. About notification playlist, so I can start creating videos, uploading videos right now to my channel. Isn't this amazing? So this place is for advert, so you can do that as admin. So that's a very good way to monetize these websites. Selling ads, it could be Google ads, it could be Zoic, whatever ads you want to sell. Isn't that amazing? Because I'm signed in here, some features here are missing, like sign in. So let's open this up really in incognito mode. So let me visit this in a private window and let's see what we have. So you can see, as usual, we just have login here. We don't have register here. So we are going to try to see some of the settings we can do to have that here. So now let's close this all together. So let's come back here. So now let's just go back to our dashboard. Let's see what we now have. So you can see you need to configure YouTube API if you want to start fetching YouTube videos and their details directly from YouTube. For you to be able to do that, you just need to hit configure here. It will bring you here where you have option to paste your YouTube API keys. For you to get your YouTube API keys is also very easy. Once you go here, let's open this in a new tab. You can see here how to get your YouTube API, but you would need to join the Google Developer Platform. You can start that here. So that's it for that here. So you can see other things here. You can also enable reCAPTCHA, so you can also get your reCAPTCHA too as well. Google reCAPTCHA secret key, so you can get that here. Once you click this, these are all Google products that you can literally get. And also you can connect your Twitch in case you want to link Twitch account here too as well. So there are a lot of things you can do with this. Also API from Facebook. You can also integrate Facebook here so that you can just display videos from Facebook. So I just want to go back right now here. So that's exactly for how to configure your YouTube API keys. And that's very beautiful. So this is our WordPress theme here. So you can easily come down here to the dashboard, import demo, install plugins, and just do some customization settings if you want to. But basically, every of these videos here work more like a post. So if you want to make changes to this, you would play more all around your post here. So if you come to all posts, so you can see all the posts that we have here, and also you can come to your categories. So you can see comedy, entertainment. So you can see these are the categories we have there. You can delete all of these categories here and create new ones or modify these ones if you want to. And creating new categories is very easy. Just come here, paste name of the category is slug if you want it different from the name, but automatically the slug will pick details from the name field here. You can give it a parent category in case you want to have a subcategory under gaming. You may just make the category parent here gaming, and then you add that category. That category become a subcategory, and you can just create as many parent categories as possible, and that's quite very amazing. So right now, if you come to the live website here, if you come down here to your footer here, it is created here at the footer builder. So if you come here, if you come to footer builder, you'll be able to see your footer here, so you can edit this with Elementor and then change the details there. That's quite very simple. So post template, you can also create a template. There is no template here for post. In case if you open up maybe a video here, you want to change the way this post is being displayed, you can create a separate template designed inside of Elementor and then have that displayed here. I don't really want to go into all of these details here. I don't want this video that long. I just want to show you where all of these things are, but these things are super simple things to do. Also, you can do the same thing for your archive template, just like we saw there on the home pages. So in case you want to have a different archive page, you can create a template for that as well. If I get lots of comments on this video telling me to do an in-depth tutorial walking you through step by step how to do all of these things, I might consider creating a tutorial like that. That would be a very long one, maybe 1 hour or more long video. It takes a lot to have all those kind of long videos, long recording, long editing, all those things. Sincerely, I will be more than happy to do that if I know that there are people who are really demanding for that. So that's it for this here. So you can create playlist here, you can manage your comments, you can create template activities, you can see all the activities. You can create templates for your email, so you can see when somebody sign in, there's a welcome email here. You can change the template. Site name, you can see member request for groups, membership request, group name, once it's accepted, rejected. So you can see all the email templates here and what the content of that email is. Activate your account if you need somebody to do here. So you can just edit this to see how that looks. So you can see this. Thanks for registering. To complete the activation of your account, go to the following link and click active button. Then active URL is here. If the activation key field is empty, copy and paste this into the fields, then they will see a link here. So that's it for this. This is how it works. This is literally super easy. So also you can come to settings here, and then let's come to general first. So here is where you change your site title. You can change your site icon. This icon here, you can change it to whatever you want. So this is it here. But one thing that is very important I want to do here is to come to membership and allow this option for anyone to register on your website, so we can then hit save changes. So that's it. So now if we visit our website right now in incognito mode, so you see we now have option here for register. It's that simple, really super simple and amazing. So right now you can just hit register button. You can see you can create a new account by just putting your email here and your username and sign up, and then you should have an activation email that says activate your email, and then you can start using this platform. Isn't this amazing? As simple as this. What I love about this is how super simple it is for you to set up this website. So you can set up your menu here, you can change this, create a new menu based on whatever parameters you want to have for your menu. And I think these are super simple things to do. You can come to your appearance, you can come to menu. So this is the footer menu. So let's come here, let's go to the footer. So you can see this here, you can change that by changing this menu here, and here we can leave there. You can come to the main navigation, we can select this. So this is where you get to see the home page layout. So if you want to use the home page layout one, you can just drag that out from this, and then you can delete the remaining one and change this label from home page layout. You can just call this home. If that works for you, whatever works for you is fine. and then delete the remaining ones, and then your browse future too as well. You can leave this, you can also leave your future, whatever you want to do, you can do that here, and then save your menu, and that's it. You've set up your menu. So setting up this is literally super simple and easy. So if you come down here, let's scroll up right now and let's refresh this. So you can see we now have home here, so we don't need to have this here too as well again. So this is it. You can play around with these. You can go to, and this theme work well with WordPress. So you can go to your appearance, go to customization. So you can do a lot of settings here from your home page settings. So you can choose a static page, home page one. You can set that here. Your post page, in case you want to have a blog section too as well, but you may want to leave that as is. This is super beautiful, yeah. So you can come here, your front end submission process. You want to also customize that maximum size. You want to set a maximum size, enable hard media. You want to do a lot of things, enable WooCommerce mode in case you want to use this with WooCommerce. That's literally up to you. So if you come down here, you click the upload button, so you can see what the front end upload feature looks like. So you can embed a video directly, and you can browse a video. You can choose a video from your computer and then embed onto this platform. You can come down here, like I said, you see this is supported with YouTube, Vimeo, and self-hosted. So you can just paste, you can go to YouTube right now, copy any video URL, and then you can come back here and paste that here. Literally simple. You can give this a title, you can give it a subtitle, you can add your featured image, just like your thumbnail. 3 seconds video preview, you can also do that here. Duration of your video, you can put that here as well. Your category, primary category, tags for your videos, the source in case you want to put the source name, and then submit your video, and that's it. That's how to upload videos to this website. Isn't this super amazing? So all right, you can also, once you come to channel here, super amazing here. So you can see what my channel looks like here. So I can come down here and edit my channel. I can change my profile picture here, and then I can change my cover image here. I can upload another image. I can customize my channel, and I think this is super easy and amazing to do. Here I can see all my notifications. Maybe I have a comment on my channel. I can see my playlist here. If I've set up some playlists and some settings I can do here for my channel. How super amazing is this? So this is for me to maybe change my password, change my email. Isn't this amazing? I can come to my email. I can also come to profile visibility. So currently this is set to everyone, which is fine. I can also export data, which is something I can do if I want to, and I think this is beautiful. So you can go experiment with this theme. I don't want to drag this more and more, showing you every of the things that this theme can do, and I believe this is amazing. So that's it for this. If you have any issues, if you have any comments, you can let me know in the comment section, and let me also know your experience in case you find this theme amazing in the comment section. I'll look out for them. That's my time for this tutorial. I'll see you in another one, and until then, stay safe, have a nice time.